This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Denham. Welcome to your dream home in Spring Hill. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home is situated on a spacious half-acre corner lot, offering both luxury and comfort. As you enter, you're greeted by an inviting open floor plan that flows easily from the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The expansive sliding glass doors and windows flood the space with natural light, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The modern kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, ample cabinet space, and a convenient coffee bar. The master bedroom boasts a serene retreat with its own ensuite bathroom, providing a private oasis for relaxation. The 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized, offering versatility for guest rooms, home offices, or playrooms. Step outside into your own paradise, a spacious backyard featuring a sparkling pool, ideal for refreshing swims on warm Florida days. The large screened-in lanai offers hours of enjoyment. The half-acre corner lot provides plenty of space for outdoor activities and gardening. Whether you're hosting BBQs, lounging by the pool, or enjoying quiet evenings under the stars, this backyard is your personal haven. Located in the desirable Spring Hill area, this home offers convenience and proximity to shopping, dining, and entertainment. This property allows you freedom to enjoy the space with no homeowners association rules. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream home yours. Washer, dryer and kitchen refrigerator does not convey to new owner. This property is a sinkhole remediated property. It is fully insurable and financeable. For more information, review the details below.